I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can request a payment on PhonePe. Now, from your main home UI here, you can see a couple of options, but the one you want to focus on is the money transfer to mobile number section of the UI, right? Now you want to press on that on to mobile number. Now on mobile number, you can see there'll be a couple of options like bank accounts, UPI number, or UPI ID. I want you to focus on the UPI ID, and then you want to click on add new UPI ID. Now in here, you will have to add in your UPI ID of the recipient you want to request the payment from. After you add in the beneficiary UPI ID, you can press on verify to see if it works or not. If it works, you will be connected with that user, and then once there, you can go to the chat room, and then you can see you can request a payment of however much you want, and then that's it. You're done. If you want to request 300, of course, put in 300. If you want to request 400, you put in 400, and then you click on the send button. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.